This is the night where I first became unwell. I started to feel off that evening and I was gonna come down with something, I could just feel it. So that night I had the last meal before starting fasting. I think I had a paracetamol or two at this point. Then prayed the Fajr dawn prayer in my room and went to sleep. I thought hopefully I'll wake up a bit better and can continue the fasting. Boy, did I get that completely wrong. I woke up around noon time, I think it was, from some weird dreams, and I was just feeling awful. I didn't know what was happening. I was going in and out of some kind of dream state and just tossing and turning to this side then that side. I can't fully explain it. Energy levels so low, I just felt like staying in bed. I was feeling feverish, cold, and had shivers. I just about got up and prayed at some point, then went back to sleep. Breaking the fast came across my mind, but I forgot the rulings around it, and with about 6 hours to go, I thought let me just soldier it through and hold on to this fast. So I go to sleep, but the next 6 hours were going so slow. There were several moments in that entire period where my eyes open, I check the time and see that only like 30 minutes or an hour has passed. Then I go to sleep again and the cycle repeats. I just wanted the time for breaking fast to come so I can drink water, but the time just wasn't moving even though I was sleeping. Struggling through this cycle of broken sleep, eventually the time did come and finally I could break my fast, drink some water and just have some light food like dates and salad. Alhamdulillah. I was hungry but didn't feel like eating much. I prayed, then went back into bed, not to sleep but just to lie down because I just didn't feel like doing anything else, and nor did I have the energy to do anything else. So I think I just checked messages and watched some videos. That's when I also watched a video by Mufti Menk about not to fast if unwell, and also no obligation to fast while traveling. Of course, any missed fasts need to be made up after Ramadan. The next day I'm meant to be checking out and traveling to Jeddah, so I decided not to fast. I was still unwell for a few days in Jeddah and so ended up not fasting for a total of 3 days at this point. I didn't go out anywhere for these next few days except to just go out and get food nearby the hotel. Mostly I was just resting in bed in the room, really. Therefore I didn't record much, and so the next 3 days are combined into this one video. So what exactly happened? I'm not too sure, but I think it may be due to burnout. All the journeying in that heat, also while fasting. Then you have the intense Ramadan night schedule, so there's already a lack of sleep as it is. And on top of that, editing each video took hours and added to that lack of sleep. Another aspect is the constant alternation of the hot and cold. Whenever you're outdoors, there's blazing heat, and whenever you're indoors, there's cold AC. I think all of this combined caused the fever in the end. Okay, today iftar back at the romantic restaurant Al Romancia. What can I do? It's the closest restaurant I have. Mixed grill. Where are you? Ticket purchased, ready to go. So the train from Medina to Jeddah leaves at 3:50 p.m. Now it's 12:50 p.m. so 3 hours I have to wait in the station. Now I need to search for some food, see if anything's open. I wasn't able to fast today. Still have remnants of the fever. I'm getting better now, alhamdulillah. Thanks to everyone for their du'as. I'm feeling a lot better than I was yesterday. So I've just ate to keep up the energy levels on the road to recovery, and now I've just come outside to escape from the AC. And just sitting here in the shade. There's about 40 minutes left until the gate opens, and about an hour and 40 minutes left until departure. So it's just a waiting game now. It's actually 28 degrees out here, but I'm not feeling hot at all. Hit with some dust or sand or something. Taken my seat in the train. 20 minutes left till departure.
Dear guests, welcome on board Haramain High-Speed Railway. This train will be heading towards Makkah Station, stopping at Al Sulaymaniyah Jeddah Station and King Abdullah Economic City Station. We will pass along the Miqat in a few minutes from now. We wish you a pleasant trip.
Arrived in Jeddah Sulaymaniyah, alhamdulillah. This train will continue on to Makkah. There's a large model of something over there. Not sure what it is, but it looks nice. Get ready to be hounded by taxis. So this is the model saw from above. It's like a model of the whole region, Medina, Makkah and Jeddah. and the train tracks and stuff. This is amazing. I love these kind of models. Room 403. This is the room. Basic, but does the job. Okay, I've decided to try out this place and get this dish. Looks quite nice. The goods. Behind every messy napkin, a happy bite. Salmon with quinoa. That salmon meal was quite nice actually, alhamdulillah. Now it's time for some green tea. I've just come out for a little walk in my local area near the hotel, just to see how I feel and also grab some food. I'm not fasting today, second day, but an hour left till iftar. This tandoori chicken tastes really good, alhamdulillah. It's basically got that proper tandoori taste, and it's got burns around it, so you get that charred taste as well, so you know it's properly done. And then we have some green peas masala here, which is also quite nice, and there's a paratha here. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. I've just come out here outside of my hotel and just sitting on these steps, catching the last hour of sunbathing. Mutton masala with paratha and papadums.